What do you reckon of them then, Mark?
Alright.
Alright, yeah, alright.
Mate.
What do you like them then?
I like them, but I don't fucking like you.
What's the time? Because we're doing time now, so then we can see what we're like.
Fucking prick.
I fucking hate you.
Yeah, yeah. Look at this. Look at him. Look at him. Look. What a twat. What a fucking twat. Yeah, go on then. Drink it, are you? Drink it, are you? Hey, 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 hey. Alright, I made a bit too much movement of the camera.
Oh, I think it was bloody coughing on the bloody ice got called out back on my throat. Too much ice.
It was a pube, wasn't it?
No, it was your black head.
Oh, sorry, it's my black. What's wrong with blackhead? You racist or what?
Just put fucking 20
Hey,
of them in my hand.
what's wrong with blickhead? You blick best.
Well, where'd they come from? Wiggers? They come from Wiggers, don't they?
Wiggers?
Yeah.
Come from Wiggers? What does that mean? Explain. In glorious detail.
They are slightly tan-skinned than us.
What? This is not going on YouTube, is it?
You can't now.
No, we're going to get BNP'd. If we put this on YouTube, we're going to get...
Bye.
Bye!